How to trade the right order block in crypto. If you are losing money trading other blocks, it's not your strategy, right? It's not your strategy. It's because you are trading the wrong one. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact order block smart money actually trades and why most traders fail. So stick around to the very end of this video. Everyone on YouTube is, marking order blocks everywhere on the chart, but institutions don't trade every order block. There are specific ones that they trade, and your stop loss gets haunted every time. These are the reasons, okay? Now, here's what most traders actually do wrong. They mark the first candle they see and enter immediately. No, that's not how real order blocks are traded, okay? You don't just mark any candle randomly like this and then mark it as your point of interest. No, you don't do this. There's always an order flow for the market. All right, that's not a real order block strategy. Okay, right now, what is a real order block strategy? I know that's the next question you want to ask me. A real order block strategy must follow market structure. Okay, it must follow market structure. Without a break of structure, then there is no order block. And I'm going to show you how to trade this step by step. Now, the very first thing you want to do, you want to zoom into a strong impulsive move that breaks structure. As a newbie, you want to do that. Now, I'm using this as a case study, which is BCH USDT. Using this as a case study, before you even think of other blocks or not, you must ask yourself, are we bullish or are we bearish? That's the first question you should ask. Are we bullish or bearish? Looking at this chart, you can see that we are absolutely bullish from here, right? So what you want to do next to catch the next move, right? You want to catch the next move. What do? We don't just come here and start marking other blocks. No, we don't do this. This is wrong, and I'm sure this is what a lot of you are doing. You don't just come here and say, okay, if price fails from here, it's going to come back here and buy. No, that is not how it is done. Now, watch very carefully. There must be a break of structure, there must be strong displacement, and it must be a clean move away. Okay? Then the next thing we want to do is find our confirmation entry. We'll talk about all these things in the course of this video. So don't worry. I'm with you to the very end as long as you are with me. As long as you are sticking with me to the very end, I'm also going to be with you. So we have a break of structure here. Now, ask yourself, are we buying from here or are we buying from this point? Let's go to the lower time frame and confirm. And see how you actually approach the market. Now, we have a break of structure here. This is a valid order block because it breaks structure, it has displacement, which is usually fair value gap, and then it sweeps liquidity. So everything another block should have, it has everything. This is a perfect order block. But how do we know we are supposed to what? Buy from here. Now, if you go lower to your what 15 minutes time frame, go lower to your 15 minutes time frame. Let me see, let me show you. You would see that we also had a break of structure here, right? So a lot of you must have mapped here out as your order block, isn't it? You must have mapped there as your order block. So I know that's how a lot of you trade. And once you see this big move, you become happy and say, oh yes, price wants to buy. And guess what? Price takes you out completely. So what do we do in this kind of scenario? First thing you want to understand is that there must be an order flow. When you see a bearish order flow, you don't start buying. How do we spot a bearish order flow? It is through this. support our bearish order flow like this. First break of structure, inducement must be taken out, and the second break of structure. Did we get this confirmation? This is liquidity being swept, right? So did we get this? This is second break of structure. Second POS. So here's our liquidity taken out completely. All right, these are our first words, BOS. So the moment we see this second break of structure, I can believe that we've seen this schematic play out now, right? Inducement was taken out from here, and then price war took everybody out, and we broke structure to the downside. As simple as that. Now we are on a sell program. We have no business buying until we see a reversal happen before we start buying. So all we want to do is concentrate on selling. So we are going to start selling from the nearest break, from the nearest order block, bearish order block now. We start what? Selling from the nearest what? Bearish order block, which is likely to be somewhere around here. The one closest to liquidity. I'm going to pick this one out. So here will be my order block. I'm selling, I'm not buying now. I'm selling. But for future reference, we can now take this as our what? Point of interest. Here, because it was this move that created this break of structure. So for the meantime, I will not start doing this. I'm not going to be doing this. I'm not going to be buying from here. I'm not going to buy from here. I have no business buying from here. This is not valid because we already saw that there was what? A bearish order flow confirmed. You can even see that this was an order block that failed. So we are looking for what? Sell opportunities. We're not looking for buys. Now, how do we know if it's the right time, if this is the right time to buy? We now know if it's the right time to buy when price does this. Price now comes down, maybe like this, gives us something like this. And then push up like this. Come back, mitigate, and then break structure. The moment we now see this now becomes, this was our first break of structure. You can see this. Then we have our second break. Then we now start looking for what? Maybe a structural pullback to this point. And then we take our entry from here to the upside. This is how to trade. Anything outside of this, I really don't know. This is what all the models I've traded my whole life comes from this guy here. All right, comes from this. Now, if this has helped you to understand what break of structure is and what, excuse me, and what what do you call it now? Other blocks are, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so YouTube pushes this to more traders. Subscribe if you want real strategies, not hype, and comment order block. Just comment order block in the comment section and that should suffice. I'm going to make another video again showing you how to get into the trade with confirmation entry, and we're going to be using real life examples. All right, that will be for the next video. That's going to be for entry, how to get perfect entry for your trades. One love, peace out. See you in the next video.